Well, I thought I was getting shrimp scampi. And I said, it comes with butter and stuff, right? He's like, yeah. But this is what they call shrimp scampi. And honestly, I'm not sure how to eat these ones.
Stella, what'd you order?
Pizza, something.
Cross, spitting in the water. We're gonna go do some work now. Time to go to work, son.
First flight on the drone.
First flight on the drone, here we are.
I'm nervous.
Hey, Dave here with Saddleback Leather, and let me show you what I'm working on. And I'm here in Croatia with the fam, and we got this place that's on the 5th floor. It's super cool, but of course with every good deal comes the drawback of let's say 107 steps. But look at this. This is super pretty. Well, just trust me. There's see that big tower over there? That's right at the base of Diocletian's palace.
Okay guys, I am in love with these slippers. Not only are they drop dead gorgeous, and they are handmade. I brought them in both sizes. I brought them in my blue here and the green, okay? Both colors had to have it. Stick them in here nice and neatly, like so. And by the way, this is size small. I'm a size 7 in women's. These fit me perfectly. These should fit anywhere from a 6 to size 7 in women's. And then the mediums are for an 8 and 9, and the large is for a 10, 11. Look at how easy that was. Look at that. And this is what I put inside my tote, inside my zipper tote, inside whatever, and I've been carrying these everywhere, and I love them. I told Dave slow down because all of these stands on the side of the road here in Croatia on our way to Dubrovnik. And basically, they have all these homemade wines. Olive oil is a big deal here. Olive oil. But my favorite thing is this right here. Look at this, how they keep this. The watermelons and the grapes. Look how they keep the watermelons and grapes and fresh squeezed juices, all different kinds down here. How they keep it cool. Hello. Is that not the coolest thing? Oh yeah, we're definitely grabbing some grapes. Check that out down there. Look at that playground. Right there. Another floating obstacle course down there. That's so cool. Adriatic Sea, look at that.
So we're here in Bosnia and Herzegovina. We're having lunch down overlooking the water. And this paddle boat has a slide on it with ladders in the back. How cool is that?